Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create quote reels on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, this one that you see on my screen right now is a quote reel that I have created. It's just a test reel that I've created, and for this you can use some elaborate designs. You can design them in Canva or in any other sort of app that allows for graphic design. You can use any other images you might come across and use them as a background and then just add the text afterwards, or you can edit it in before you post it on Instagram Reels. However, to create them within Reels themselves is pretty simple. You just have to go over into your edit menu, go into the Reels mode, just record a short video. As you can see, I have just a black background, and then once you create that video, again, you can enter an image if you want to. I'll just click next, and now you can just click on this text right here in the bottom left with this sort of uppercase and lowercase a. Just click on that. That'll enable you to write down some text. So let's say quote marks again, and me. And once you're done entering your quote and who you're quoting, click done, and then just go into next. And here you can edit a couple of different things. You can edit the cover of the reel, you can edit hashtags, you can add a poll, you can edit the location, do whatever you want. You can select your audience, rename the audio depending on what you want, and once you're done, you can either save it as a draft or you can immediately share it to your account. Then if I go back and go into my account, just let's wait for a second and let it reload. So let me just quickly reload this, and as you can see, a new reel has appeared, which is this one, and that's pretty much all you have to do. And it's really as easy as that. Again, you can go for elaborate designs for the background if you want to, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.